Visit our YouTube channel at Max TV. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications on our uploads.
Welcome back. It's Inside the Niger Delta, the authentic voice of Nigeria's oil-rich region. With confirmed cases of the coronavirus disease on the increase in the country, the fear of the dreaded scourge is now the beginning of wisdom for government at all levels and citizens of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Both at the center and sub-national levels, frantic efforts are being taken to prevent the spread of COVID-19. In Rivers State, the government has set up a 5-man committee to create awareness for the prevention of the pandemic. After setting up the committee, the state government ordered an immediate closure of schools and placed a restriction on religious and social activities in the state. Governor Nyesom Wike also ordered a closure of all entry points into the state by road and sea as from 6 p.m. last Thursday, the 26th of March, 2020.
All non-Muslim borders will be closed. The aircraft movements in and out of the state have been banned. In essence, no vehicle will leave Port Harcourt to any other state, and no vehicle will come in from any other state to Rivers State.
In the wake of the first reported case of coronavirus in the country, the Delta State government had also set up a response team to keep the pandemic at bay. In addition to its public sensitization efforts, the Delta State government has mounted surveillance at critical entry points into the state to checkmate the possible entry of infected persons into the state. Right now, all hospitals across the state have been directed to designate isolated areas for possible detection and treatment for any reported case of the virus. Governor AKUGHA also took time out to visit some isolation centers in the state. The government and people of Bayelsa State are equally on their toes to prevent the spread of coronavirus to the glory of all lands. There is in place a multi-sectional COVID-19 task force chaired by Governor Doyediri himself to coordinate and implement the state's response to the pandemic.
It's our prayer that this pandemic has no place in Bayelsa. And the only way it will have no place here is that all of us as citizens, from the high to the low, we all now have to shut down.
And in Akwa Ibom State, the government has set up monitoring processes at various entry points into the state. One of such points is the Victor Atta International Airport, where a sophisticated screening facility has been provided to detect and prevent possible entry of infected persons into the state. It has equally provided functional ambulances and rapid response teams to move suspected or confirmed cases to an emergency operation treatment center at Ikotekpene.
The Emergency Operation and Treatment Center in Ikotekpene is ready to serve as an isolation and treatment center to receive and care for any confirmed case of COVID-19 infection, if at all it occurs.
On the 1st of March 2020, Ondo State government activated an interministerial committee to tackle coronavirus following its first confirmed case in neighboring Lagos State. The state, which is yet to fully recover from an outbreak of Lassa fever that claimed no fewer than 20 lives, have directed an indefinite closure of schools with effect from 20th March 2020.
There is no doubt that this global pandemic poses a real challenge to all nations. Yet, if we all collaborate effectively, we will overcome it successfully.
Inside the Niger Delta.